學寫中文字 Learn to write in Chinese。 我哋今日個字就係個早字。 Our word for today is 早。個早字有6個筆畫。 The 早 character has 6 brush strokes。 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6。 咁點解個早字會咁樣寫呢？ Now, why do we write the character Zou in this way? There's a few different theories on the origins of this character, but I like the one that talks about this character being made of 2 components. 我哋睇個早字咧，就可以分開去做個日字同埋個甲字。 So when we look at the character Zou, we can see both the yat character and the gap character combined together. Yat 嗰個意思咧就係個太陽。 The character yat means the sun。 個甲字都有幾個意思嘅，但係佢其中一個意思就係第一。 The character gap has a few different meanings itself, and one of them means first。 所以擺埋個日字同埋個甲字一齊咧，我哋就可以了解佢個意思啦。 This helps us understand the meaning of the character Zou。 Zou 有2個唔同嘅意思嘅。 The character Zou has 2 meanings。 第一個意思就係講準唔準時。如果你早咧，即係你嚟咗先。 The first meaning has to do with relative time。 第二個意思咧就係一個時間，朝頭早嗰個早。 The second meaning is the morning。 因為一日個早嘅時間咧，就係第一次見到個太陽。 That's because Zou, the morning, is the time of the day when we first see the sun。 多謝你今日同我學寫中文字。 Thank you for learning to write in Chinese with me today。 下次再見啦。See you next time。拜拜。